Hello friends, myself Jyoti More. Today we are discussing GMP. In that it include the definition, objectives, and what are the component of GMP. So firstly, explain the what is meant by GMP or the definition of GMP. GMP is the good manufacturing practices are the practice which is required in order to conform to the guidelines which is recommended by the agencies that control the authorization and licensing of the manufacturer and sale of a product, beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceutical products, dietary supplements, and medical devices. So, firstly, means what is meant by GMP? GMP it is a particular guidelines, and according to the guidelines, we have to manufacture the any products, and after the manufacturing, according to the GMP guidelines, it should be distributed and it should be dispensed according to the GMP guidelines. So firstly, the GMP means it is a good manufacturing practice which is any pharmaceutical industries which are follow the GMP guidelines for the manufacturing of any pharmaceutical products or any food or any beverages, cosmetics, dietary supplements and the medical devices. Okay, then next, what are the objectives of a GMP? So first objective, to ensure that raw material used in the manufacturing of drug should be authentic and should be prescribed in quality manner and should be free from contaminations. Means what type of raw materials are used, it must be free from contamination as well as it must be authentified and prescribed in a qualified manner. Second, the manufacturing process has been prescribed and to maintain the standard. Next, to adapt the adequate quality control measures. Then, to maintain the quality of manufactured drug which is released for a sale. Means to maintain the manufacturing of a drug as well as to maintain the quality of each and every product, those each and every products which are released for the sale. Then, to achieve the objective listed above, each license shall involve the methodology. Means the any steps which are performed at the time of manufacturing, it must be licensed and it must be involved a particular methodology. These are the objectives of a GMP. Then next, component of a GMP. There are the 15 components of GMP. In that, the good manufacturing process is production and testing practice that helps to ensure the quality of a product. It is the main aim of a GMP. Then, the GMP guidelines are not prescriptive instruction on how to manufacture product, but it is a particular licensing authorities as well as it is a particular guidelines how to manufacture the product. Then these are the series of general principles that must be observed during the manufacturing, mainly to maintain the principle which is followed by the GMP. When a company is setting up its quality program and manufacturing process, there may be many ways it can fulfill the GMP requirements. It is company responsibility to determine the most efficient and effective quality process. When you follow the GMP guidelines, it must be your product is most efficient and more effective as a quality. Then these are the diagrammatically involve the component of GMP. The first component of GMP is quality management. Second, quality assurance. Third, good manufacturing practice for medical products. Four, quality control. Fifth, sanitization and hygiene. Six, qualification and validation. Seven, complaints and product recall. Eight, contract product and analysis. Then self inspection, quality audits and supplier audits and approval. Then personal training and personal hygiene. 11 premises, 12 equipments, 13 materials, 14 documentation and 15 is the holding and the distribution. These are the component of GMP. Means each and every pharmaceutical company it must be followed the GMP guidelines. Due to the GMP guidelines, it is a particular principle which is mainly involved for efficient and the effective your pharmaceutical products for the sale. Okay, in that point it involves the definition, objectives and the component of a GMP. Thank you.